Nina is an IT manager at ABC Corporation. One of her responsibilities is to ensure that SAP S/4HANA Cloud systems run uninterrupted and as expected after every upgrade and continuous delivery. The number of changes with respect to every release is large and not personalized to a specific scope. Therefore, Nina ends up spending a lot of time finding the changes that are relevant only to her corporation. Enter Release Assessment and Scope Dependency Tool, or RASD, where Nina can log in with her S user ID and immediately see the list of impacts, improvements, and innovations tailored to their scope. RASD acts as a trusted companion in the SaaS journey and is one place for customers and partners to prepare for SAP S/4HANA Cloud updates and releases. If you are like Nina, an SAP S/4HANA Cloud customer or partner, log into RASD today and get the most out of each SAP S/4HANA Cloud delivery.